G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been 3 days since I've shaved into this Wolverine beard, so I thought I'd show you what it looks like with a bit of stubble on the mustache area and here in particular. I think it looks a bit better than the freshly clean shaven look, and if you look at Hugh Jackman's photos from when he plays Wolverine, you'll notice a little bit of stubble in these areas, whether it's a day or two. In my case, 3 days. I think it looks a bit better. What do you guys think? If you're thinking about shaving into this style, whether it's for a fancy dress party or some cosplay or whatever, then yeah, I'd recommend you do it a day or two or even 3 days before the event, so you can go looking a little bit more scruffed up in those areas instead of freshly clean shaven, which I don't think looks as accurate as the character in the movies. Having said all that, I am going to be shaving this off into the clean shaven look with a bit of stubble. What I mean by that is I generally don't shave with a razor. I use a trimmer, so as soon as I shave, it already looks like a day or two of stubble. But I like doing it that way because I feel it protects my skin from irritation and it's just quicker and easier. Okay, so off to the shower and let's shave into a look that I haven't had in a long time. And just like that, clean shaven. What do you guys think? I don't really rock this look that often, but it's always a pleasant surprise when you see your own face with no facial hair, when 90% of the time I do have facial hair. Anyway, that will be the video for today. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the Wolverine look or do you prefer the clean shaven look? What look should I do next? I'm thinking just grow my beard back to a normal length and we'll take it from there. Maybe I'll do another Robert Downey Jr. Someone suggested that I do the Jon Snow, Kit Harington look, so I might do that. It's just a simple mustache and beard, but it's very unique to his face, so I don't know if I can pull it off. But stay tuned for that anyway. Guys, that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.